What you're looking at here is a small full HD LED projector designed for people who want a big screen experience without the bulk, cost, or complexity of traditional setups. It's compact, portable, and surprisingly capable for its size, making it a solid option for home entertainment, office use, or casual everyday viewing. The design is simple and practical. It's lightweight, easy to place on a desk or table, and doesn't require a permanent installation. That alone makes it ideal for people who move frequently, work from different spaces, or just want something flexible. You can set it up in minutes, power it on, and you're ready to go without digging through complicated menus. Image quality is where this projector really stands out. It supports full HD 1080p resolution, delivering a clear and sharp picture that works well for movies, presentations, and streaming content. Details look crisp, text is readable even on larger screen sizes, and colors appear balanced and vibrant. For a projector in this category, the visual performance is impressive. The LED light source helps maintain consistent brightness while keeping energy usage low. It performs best in dim or moderately lit rooms, which is perfect for home theaters, bedrooms, meeting rooms, or nighttime outdoor viewing. Contrast levels are solid, allowing darker scenes to retain detail while brighter scenes remain punchy and clean. Connectivity is straightforward and versatile. With HDMI, USB, and VGA inputs, it works with laptops, desktops, gaming consoles, streaming devices, and flash drives. Some versions also support wireless screen mirroring, which is especially useful for presentations or watching content directly from a smartphone or tablet. This flexibility makes it suitable for both entertainment and professional use. Audio is handled by a built-in speaker that's convenient for quick setups. It delivers clear sound for small spaces and presentations. For a more immersive experience, external speakers or headphones can be connected easily, giving you the freedom to upgrade the audio when needed. Keystone correction and manual focus controls allow you to fine-tune the image quickly. Even if the projector isn't positioned perfectly, the image can be adjusted to stay straight and sharp. This feature is especially useful in tight spaces or temporary setups where perfect alignment isn't possible. Screen size flexibility is another major advantage. Depending on distance, the projector can display anything from a modest screen to a large cinematic view. This transforms regular movie nights, sports events, or gaming sessions into something far more immersive without needing a large TV. Portability makes this projector even more appealing. It's easy to carry, easy to store, and easy to use anywhere. Whether it's for home entertainment, office presentations, online classes, or travel use, this projector adapts well to different needs and environments. Overall, this small full HD LED projector delivers a strong balance of portability, performance, and value. It's easy to use, flexible in setup, and capable of producing a satisfying big screen experience. If you're looking for an affordable way to upgrade how you watch, work, or present, this projector is worth serious consideration. You can find more details and purchase options through the link provided in the description.